Hello students, today we are going to see 11th standard Business Maths exercise 1.1 first chapter. Matrices and determinants. Let us see the sixth question. Evaluate 1a squared minus b, bc, 1b b squared minus ca, 1c c squared minus ab. Let us evaluate this one. So, first step, you have to split into two terms for this column. So, that is equal to 1a square and 1b b square, 1c c square, one of the determinant, and plus this column should be split into two. So, the same only first column and second column. So, 1, 1, 1. Here A, B, C, here minus BC, minus CA and minus AB. Now by property 6, we have to take the minus of this one. This is for property 6. And then we have to take out of the minus. So that is equal to 1A square, 1B B square, 1C C square minus 1 A B C, 1 B C A, 1 C A B. And then next step, we have to take A B C, multiply R1 by A and R2 by B and R3 by C and divide by A B C. I repeat once again, multiply R1 by A, that is row, first row, you have to multiply R1 by A and then second row multiply by B and third row multiply by C and divide by ABC. So that is equal to 1A square, 1B B square, 1C C square minus 1 by ABC, you divide by ABC and get multiply R1 by A. So A square ABC, B square ABC and C square ABC. So next one, next we will take out A, B, C from third column. So that is equal to 1A square, 1B B square, 1C C square minus, you have to take out the ABC of the third column. So ABC by ABC, the remaining is A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, 1, 1, 1. So ABC and ABC cancel. So that is equal to 1A square, 1B B square, 1C C square and minus, you have to interchange by property, you have to interchange this third column into first column. So like that 1, 1, 1. A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, both are same. So that is equal to 0. This is the answer. Evaluate, we will get 0. Now the seventh question is, prove that 1 by A, B, C, B plus C, 1 by B, C, A, C plus A, 1 by C, A, B, A plus B is equal to 0. The determinant of this value is equal to 0. We have to prove. So first step, we have to take out 1 by ABC, that is multiply again, before previous sum we learned, no? So that way we have to follow. First you have to multiply R1 by A and R2 by B and R3 by C and divide by ABC. So that is equal to 1 by ABC. You have to multiply and divide by R1 by A. So multiply R1 by A means this is 1. A cancel, is it? So A by A, ABC and A into B plus C and B by B and ABC and C plus A into, that is B into C plus A. Third one C by C, ABC and C into A plus B. That is equal to, next step we have to take out A, B, C common out of the second column. We will get this one is cancelled. So automatically this will come 1 and A, B, C take outside from the second column means A, B, C divided by A, B, C. 1, 1, 1. Here also 1, 1, 1 and A into B plus C, B into C plus A, C into A plus B. So ABC cancel. When two columns are equal, that is first column and second column are equal means the determinant value is equal to 0. Thus that is C1 is equal to C2 means we will get 0. So the term will be 0. Hence proved. Hence proved. Next, let us see the eighth sum. Prove that minus A squared AB AC, AB minus B squared BC, AC BC minus C squared is equal to 4A squared B squared C squared. First, what we have to do? First step, we have to take out A, B, C from R1. That is, A from R1, B from R2, C from R3. So, you have to take out A, B, C, A from R1. If we take out A from R1 means 1A is there. So, minus A, B, C. And second row from B. So, A minus B, C. And third row A, B, minus C. So next step, we have to take out A, B, C from column 1. That is, first column you have to take out A, second column you have to take out B, and third column you have to take out C. So that is equal to A into A squared, B into B squared, C into C squared. Now, if we take out A, B, C means minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Now, we have to take the determinant value for this determinant. So, that is equal to A squared, B squared, C squared. Then, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 and minus 1. Minus 1 into, leave this column and row. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. 1 into 1 minus 1. Plus 1 into, leave this column and row. We will get 1 into 1 1 and minus 1. So plus 1. So that is equal to A squared, B squared, C squared. And here 1 minus 1, 0. So this term will be 0. Here minus 1, minus 2. So minus 2 into 1, minus 2. So that is equal to minus 2. And here 1 plus 1, 2, 2 into 1. Here minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Here 1 plus 1, 2, 2 into 1 plus 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. So that is equal to 4A squared, B squared, C squared is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Can you understand, students? So prove that we can prove 4A squared, B squared, C squared. Okay, students. Thank you. Thank you for listening. We will see the next exercise in the next class. Thank you.